ni enwo ye. Why your body say nyame di for. Ni pe di sa papa we hu adanse. Enye ni paketua. Why your body say Erade di won kwa chaw 45 years. And now who ba de ye nyatwo. Asen ya moki Erade na. You are dragging the name of God into disrepute.
Yeah.
What's a hypocrite? As a friend who say we evangelist. Nyankopon na wo se wo sum no obetua wo ka. Obetua wo ka na re to beba wo so. E na na ye digwi. Say we ye medra. Say we ye udifo.
Okay,
say we kum nipa. Hey. So for evangelist. Say we kum nipa.
Hey.
And to your conscience and to the people of Ghana. Nyankopon obetua wo ka no maye. Enim guasie na betu kopi so obewu. Say when who Nyankopon mercies on your life. Say Erade di wo boni kakraka we say wo de achew. Na nne wo ba be lead Ghana for astray be ka kire yen say ba ye mbusa jo mahama question. So for Erade begu weni mase. Na Erade enim guasie no e na afi asie yi.
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so. But more this be like video na be subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na also watch the wadwen or comment section wasa. Say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan which are through number na wase no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pa so. Now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no, I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebe, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, not of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Dr. Lawrence Teteh, who was recently from Patratical Way 2003. Hey, revival of Marybound Ghana Airways and one Pastor Kwabena are alleged hired killers of the PNDC. Teteh. The startling revelation emerged at the National Reconciliation Commission hearing at Kumasi when the petitioner, Mr. Eric Jima, narrated how his brother, the late Pastor Kwesi Amoako, was killed in a motor accident which was generally believed to have been politically motivated. The late Pastor Amoako died under mysterious circumstances when the car in which he was traveling was involved in an accident with an army vehicle on the Accra-Takoradi Road. In the late pastor's car were the Accra-based gospel singers, the Tego sisters, who miraculously escaped death like with Sister Khan, you know. According to the petitioner, Dr. Teteh, Dr. Lawrence Teteh, and Pastor Kwabena Kodia confessed that they were sent by the and into when you been a cattle Lawrence Teteh so they were sent by the PNDC to eliminate Pastor Amoako, who was the founder of the Resurrection and Resurrection Power Ministry. Those days, okay. Mr. Jima, a building contractor, narrated how his late brother lashed at the military government during the Armed Forces Revolutionary AFRC. Witness his brother preached against the executions in 1979, arguing that such actions would attract the wrath of God. Now, according to Jima, two people went to the church in Accra and confessed to his brothers that he had been sent to eliminate him. One of them was Dr. Lawrence Teteh, a former CDR member and now host of Miracle Touch on Metro TV. And Pastor Kwabena Kodia, with another woman confessing. Into Lawrence Teteh no namo no adumbi and ajene sesanko ojai sa brono. Ojai sa beyisem nan ko dwene ne salvation ho. Some person salvation or person na sorry for nya. Ma dia mama o sebi yakofa dia be chichire ho. Anyways, we thank you for that. AJ, enipa ba for 4 minutes pena yan no fast so bi anka for 4 minutes. Mo ama wale no kura no wo yire wo ne ye no wan ye ni a wado kwa yetumi tiwutum cause yes it has to be kana. Senya front door na wo pe ba bi fufuro bi akofa yetumi tiwutum ye mra no wo hodada. Nanso yetena ho ma akoa bi a wa sese bi o sebe sogum boto a ensu ato aguso. Eye na better say shoulder pad ya de call he can tata show. You know, this LGBT thing, you know, and like the president is complicit. I can tell you on authority, the president is complicit. Make ensure you so many of what. Make a pram for the ensure the year ko will be fresh and my and na kocha pram and mama sabi ya niame na abolo we and ensure the year ko. Sa kwa sia ni tumi set tie. Na onu abegina wo etintim sabi awrade nyankopon mebo no wo de mo behu say nya den omo ntina ba mu forever police na edi na chi no one day be free na Sam George de mi omo free ba bia me say mebo no say we ya mema me nu na ya chia na ye de mebo na papa na no ni na because our boy no this boy President Mahama any Andrew Solomon no mo koda mpa so unim de obeka e de na Mahama tumi ka say ye de akwase ampa fo e de fe power na ya ka 5k men na akwase ampa fo 5k ma ya da ye di na men na ya so fo ne ye na obi amra na ye mbe ye gidigidi wo ye ayi gidigidi Ebra Mahama be di ade fe turumu asem ya ba yo MPI e ba ye ni na mo free o ya na ya ba yo mo aba na de na sambol ka fe ye bra so ye be fa adwuma mo sambol mo ye adwuma mo fa mo certificate ana wa adwuma no me wan ka certificate enkrofo face dey today you na di obi no obi ye o dem dey fa so that was campaign Nana Addo ka say ko free education no and to me as Sam George ni ono na ba pay ya be that was Sam George na dey obi ba e be kire say oba ni oba ntumi nna e na be ma 6 million e ya de e wo dada o emra ne say untumi and never Sam George can say no and this is month abekwa 6 million na mokoto aba no yesimu ni quality ma me papa wutie me de na na kufu ado for say say kura no and we ni babu say nya SS certificate mpo na madam for Freddy Hennessy nkenya nupo bi eye nkrofo ni bia na me ma me kan tra ban say enne ese bu ka tra say kwasie na ye jamu na na mo say police mo chema mo ba na be wiade ne ya bo mutu eku mo anado e wo be wo di party we mu say one of the things that people disagree with nansa na wunnie nansa na munnie o NBC for nansa na munnie enya politics bi na mo ye na me tue mu no for some of you amunim no one of the main clause we woman say me akwasi apia me compound house ye nipa 17 and ye compound house me nim the accept study oye woni dem me kwasi apia kran ya me tie me da sa logic ne way na NDC for person dey here so it doesn't make sense ye nim say agi ni oba na eda na ya mekanti ye so ye charge ye nka ho e ma yes e dey one man galam say e dey na manka on e be pin sa dey e dey na manka on human rights that's human right. You see, anything for president, anything for power. Into what Jinanko Puano Shabo said, me ba me sign LGBT kura oni buo me nyame. Tuminti. And it's Joy and Kwasi Abranko and be buko to J. Oni Papa, the finance minister said, my name is go, me can. You know, always catching on my the devil don't like good things. Private jet here, and so they're going to face a lot of challenges. Or top private jet, I be a man of God. 3 months ago, that this oil as down the lane when you're
be able to do all the dog and all the exploit. So by Bakus, Parash, Bra, Pa, you are home, go and work. And your politics. That shit is not politics.
Sometimes I have a Rollins.
Ya kwasiampa phobia ya bomodin abobo manu ayedi
Ghana Rollins ka crank
ya kwasiampa phobia ya sheda aboa ya no say ye political party abayi dom bi ayedum moja ye hunu moja
ya ni bi we say no mo ka no truck o there be truck cry dey aboso kan matoi
na what tell na
obi see interchange dia papa we Jimmy and interchange dia be interchange
dia so for abeifo me can for we make it
truck driver or taxi driver interchange dia mo maye na obi be 3 hours work na me be 4 hours work this is them complaining Ghana driver Jimmy for on here
America for vice president
aban diaba interchange na air course traffic
of the relationship America and Ghana
can take it 2 hours.
We decided say
all the 1 hour
and 2 countries in the flag, which means say now we have 2 trips.
And this is what Captain Kwasiam
time and interchange
na na Kufuado Adiatum Adentia. I see there be interchange there. Ya kwaso ya you for interchange ya almost sign book be. Captain Smart be Ghana for
land of freedom independent.
There na no more sign no. Na ye
and no more Adiatum samo kaya. Ye painting interchange.
Make his case believable. You someone say Captain Smart say me say me boy. Muncho you give me house kala over there. And I said the American.
Yes, they say Papa no
citizens of Wonderland.
Nana Addo. I'm poor. For your bay for Mama yen jam so yo yate.
Abua preko ya we be gina masiwa we trotro say Captain Joe say wan we. The opane say bebu ndin. Na we nya screenshot. They are sign here no.
Say see you drag it.
Face here for NDC and people in Tonchen.
Popum so obenya president.
Nana Addo na ye man.
You be dragging it the number. And mind you, Ghana, and I want to know, you want better your more. Some more shall memory NDC for Obi. Mummy imagine, I see a NDC for better no offense for 4 years BM. And now 8 years and now 12 years. And they and Sempa. And the NDC MPP4 National Executives. NDC for best kefi. Some more best set up. Na eduma na motenia ember over no. Maye mo ho aye. Na ma revive the enthusiasm na ewo party ni mu na. Mo be ma the base no asa ye ni can be the base of the MPP party na asa ye ni can be mu a. Enka be boa ye nyina. Ene omo na omo bo adwapadeafo na nkasa no. Adwapadeafo no. Omo na ebu man no. And the president nia ya tam Ghana agudie e de ama no enso ka ye MPP mu na sasem we si ya ka by this time Ghana nyina ya so bu enso a political party like MPP ya kan ya no atum me si ene obia fa nkɔ na dwendwen mu o kɔda adwene wo ho ensam a me bobosi fa kwa dwendwen mu na bisa ho se MPP ti yesu ne ye ban yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me pa cho mi bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any ye kofa. It is a yaya subain any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here. Me pacho mi be so yaya ready for power. Because yaya NDC sika wo pumpigu wo campaign mu 2024. Ni ene Ah, what magic God, your friends, a go concession, you know. First one team said 2028 election, you see, Kabe Womu Papa. Then people for mu will be. The youth of this country, no, ye enjoy watching a beam. Ye fry and up and water bang, the idea win, ye jedra, and only a pay. And to be anyone while Baba in the future. Or bet me quite echo dinner, Doctor I'm so to Waba. At the end,
But said, "O Jan Yame, quine now, they are to hono. So also we are suffer. Now we can crash the Ghana for. Then Yame quine, Jordan, where that was suffer as a moon no away, Namokan. Now they barbe yet, or they be wada because while I can separate them, I'm my downfall. Or you would be our no country with some